If you are in Baku, then one place you would never like to miss is Shirvanshahs palace. It lies in the Ichri Sheher or the Old City, and to reach there you need to get off at Ichri Sheher subway metro station only to discover the grand gate of Ichri Sheher or the Old City at its back. Now turn on the Google Maps and walk another 400 meters through this historic walled city to reach Shirvanshahs palace. Palace of Shirvanshahs was built in 15th century and is described by UNESCO as one of the pearls of Azerbaijan's architecture. Once you reach the palace, you will have to buy a ticket. The each ticket costs about 15 manat. Now enter the palace and explore. देखो तो सही कैसी जगह कैसी है। हाँ हाँ कैसा बनाया होंगे। Okay, 50% off. मैंने छोड़ बहुत महंगी दिखा था। This is souvenir shop. And this is a model of Old City. Hello. Hey. इधर देखो. Wow. See what is this? Oh.
Oh.